Sian some no anomedeo eko from Mantemu na penya wono na girls education wodano eye Millicent Dake wodi ato mai wonani musa kwada bia wo botaye si nani so ti wo ya bai wona wusi so de opesa wo ye no wo se yere wo ho memma nyoma bi ntwe wo nsan kakra wo bedru ho no watu kwada no safo yi.
Millicent Dake eye from Mantemu girls education officer abra Wonum Edi International Girl Child Day. Yeah, it's here. That's so and invest in girls' rights, leadership and well-being. No, and Mami Edi on one casa who aye mfatu ho. Wade to wade suafo no animu se we see nkete ebo no ho modene se ekwan bia so no obayire no ho na wakosuapo mu akogi nimdie. Yeah, nam saa etirimupo a obo ye nti no sesei waba be Volta Regional Girls Education Officer. Senti wa hye man nyina nkran se wommo wo ntirimupo se obema wonom adesua ho ahia wonom sene se ode wo ho ebo fore no yoye a ensem fatemu
ya asema yewo ma ye school kola ne se me girls education officer ochine bi me nsanya district girls regional girls education officer ba me hwe kwan se ye nkola omo bayi ebedi enim abedane girls officers ejuma hohore wo ye memu omo beji enim esi ya nemu aye ejuma e wo so omo ye eho hia se omo behwe omo ho so yie na omo tumi agina mu se ye ni ho omo tumi agina mama ene dai ye de omo bumu aka bom ene omo edi nsawoso ebo nkomo
adesuafo bi a wonom ko dwumadi na se ene yamane boni etwetwe nkomo a wode nsam sei etudwa.
The program was very inspiring. We heard messages from people that really inspired us to do better things in the future and be better people. Their stories were really inspiring. We really loved it. And they were very interactive too.
I talk about how they managed to get where they are. I was very inspired and they made me think, have a mindset that I'll also become like them one day.
I really like the part where they taught us about the diseases that we get when we engage in unprotected sex with other people.
And area yegusua ehye emaiwa eho nsem na Ghana aka wiase amanyina ye ne dai wo mo ebodawro ekasa defa emaiwa ho esi wo mo enkran na ne saso na futu akwaba ne se emaiwa no eginimdie gu wo mo timu no wo se ensanodwuma so no ebi ka ho na munya ensanodwuma sanso nya nimdie sonko na watumi edi abobra.
International Day of the Girl Child, and do I say yetimidi Mayua about together from different fields. A be from skill, a be from schools, a be from communities. Amunina muba, omube share omo experiences. Ye bias on mine, but baby all I say ye be account. A baby say ye father say time beyond ye can say ye empower girls. The focus ni na ye say empower girls no enya ni say ye de omoko school asa but the see no me say TVET and a skill no and na the way to go ye believe say empowerment no mo ma ye fan ko skill no more e bia odi nko anipa ne ko school kura at least mo ma ye mboa na ye ma mo skill because nipa ni was skill at least or was skill ni we are or bibi ye nso na juma or bibi ye inti enono ye baako na moreover so no de bia no so ye time bia so ye see ye kase representation any participation ye pese most of times you see no ye fa nkola na mayu ankasa ye fa omuka decision making no ye nhihye bi ma omo a ye fa omuka International Day of the Girl Child na ye bo hu the rule say ye nyina ye mba together. We are sorry, we are mocks, we are community, we are cratching you, we are wine, we are bema or bow, Yanina, your kai humbo man, you bet your man.